Hey everyone, it's Tom with another investment video here today, and just want to talk to you guys about what happened in the last couple days in the market. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention. If you've got money invested in cryptocurrency, I'm sure you've been watching it. But if we just look at Bitcoin's price, oh my gosh, it has been everywhere. It has been fluctuating like crazy, and this morning it got down as low as $9,000, which is pretty significant. I think they said in the news, which this is actually a true statement coming from the news, that it got less, the price of Bitcoin dropped below $10,000 for the first time since like the beginning of December, which is significant. It's been fluctuating anywhere between, $10,000 and $20,000, from December to January. So the volatility is uncomprehendable. It's insane. And so just from today, and I mean in the last 24 hours, this time last night, it was like 12,000, and then when I woke up this morning, it was like 10,000, and I freaked out. I was like, "What is going on?" And I thought it was a snowball effect of people being scared by it dropping, so they were all selling out, and it just continued to plummet. And here we are later in the evening, and it's recovering. It's starting to recover. There's so much fear in cryptocurrency. It's incredible that the price can react and respond in such an extreme way. The amount of money in Bitcoin specifically during that price drop was billions and billions of dollars, and I'm sure people lost billions of dollars freaking out and selling. I know I lost some money because I sold a bit of my coins during the drop, and I plan to get back in. But yeah, I mean, everyone makes mistakes, but holy crap, like, this is hard to track. It is hard to understand. You gotta sleep with one eye open, guys. Like, you gotta always keep an eye on this. And investing in the currency itself will give you a heart attack. And because of that, that is why I have pushed the idea and the platforms such as BitConnect, Hashflare, and HextraCoin, because these give you a little bit of comfort, because at that point in time, you're not so dependent on the price of the coin. Unless you are an avid day trader and you don't mind sleeping with one eye open, then investing in the currency would be an option for that. But if you're not, I would suggest looking into some other platforms, such as the three that I have been invested in recently. As we know, BitConnect, sad news. Yes, it is no more, and so it seems like I believe they've transferred my total investment out into the BitConnect wallet. I've pulled out some money here. I'm not sure, because this value right here is about $153, which I guess after what I earned, pretty close to my total amount of money I put in. What is that, 153? But that's based on its ever-changing value. So I think they did pull out my money, and so I have transferred money out of here, and I'm going to continue to get the rest out. That's another $150 right there that I'll pull out. So that'll be nice. That's sad. BitConnect was a very good platform, and it worked very well. I wish I jumped in a year ago, and I could have been putting in tens of thousands of dollars in there, and it worked. It really truly worked. I moved all the money out. It sounds like a big scam. It looked like a big scam. It felt like a big scam, but it paid out every time it said it would, and I pulled out. I mean, it's been fantastic. I'm upset by it. Anyway, that aside, HextraCoin and Hashflare have been very successful as well. HextraCoin's going through a revival, because they got some bad press because their website was down for 7 days, but they are back online, and I'm sure they're going to continue growing back up. I still have some money invested in them as well, so I'm excited to see their growth start back up again. So moving on from that, Hashflare, I need to say, has been the only platform that I have used with these investments that has been perfect from day one. All these other ones have had hiccups, none of these three platforms have given me like issues. I guess they've had like maintenance problems where their site's down, but the way they've handled it is not anywhere near close to what Hashflare has done. Hashflare has always made sure that they get all their payouts on time. Rain or shine, they've always been on track and very consistent. And in terms of investments, you want something you can trust. You also want a profit, right? Those are two big things. And Hashflare is the one that has always been good. And so, I mean, above all else, if you want a consistent return, I would say Hashflare is a great place to put some money if you're looking to get invested into cryptocurrency. Hextra is a little more aggressive, but their site is, I would say, more volatile than Hashflare's, just because of, you know, whether that's market speculation, whether that is a variety of other things. But Hashflare, the cool thing is you do get, you know, I'm just piling up Bitcoin here, right? And I'm going to, of course, sell when it's at a high. But yeah, I've just got $300 just sitting right there, ready to pull out as soon as I reach that minimum amount to withdraw, which is, I'm pretty close. I think I should be there close to the end of January, maybe early February, and I'll start pulling out about $500 to $800 increments to be able to withdraw that into one of my wallets where I can cash that out or invest that somewhere else. But anyway, that's just kind of a recap on what was going on with the price. I can't say exactly why. I understand that fear was a big component in this gigantic price drop. It's been down about roughly like 40% over the last 48 hours. It's been incredible watching that. And terrifying, right? But also, if you guys have money and you are less affected by fear, that would have been an incredible time to jump in. When Bitcoin was at 9,000 this morning, and now here it is at 12,000. That's what, like a 30-something% return if you had bought at the exact right times. You know, how many people do that, honestly? But those day traders, right? Whatever. So anyway, guys, that's just kind of a recap on the last 48 hours, and also me, again, supporting and respecting these platforms that have been proven and that have really truly helped grow my crypto portfolio. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Check out the links in the description for these links to sign up, and if you guys want to get invested into cryptocurrency, this is a great way that's a little safer than investing just in the specific coins. Also, I do 2 giveaways every week, and the giveaway will be on Friday, and I will actually do the giveaway in that video this time around as I'm getting better at it. So thanks for watching, and check out those links in the description, guys. Have a great day.